Are you prepared for the financial storms on the horizon? From volatile predictions for the S&P 500 and Nasdaq to the surging wave of large-scale bankruptcies, our experts break it down. Katie Stockton and Danielle DiMartino Booth offer crucial insights into the choppy second half of 2024, potential Bitcoin outbreaks, and unsettling labor market trends. Don't miss out on what could be pivotal for your investments. Today, on Financial News in Review, we will summarize the following videos. From Kitco News, we have choppy and volatile second half of 2024 ahead. Targets for S&P 500, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, gold. Katie Stockton. From David Lynn, we have complete loss of your paycheck, bankruptcy cycle in high gear. Danielle DiMartino Booth. In this illuminating conversation on Kitco News, host Michelle McCory sits down with Katie Stockton, the founder and managing partner at Fairlead Strategies, to dive into market predictions for the second half of 2024. From equity markets and cryptocurrencies to commodities, Katie shares her expertise on navigating what lies ahead. Katie Stockton presents a cautiously optimistic market overview, predicting a choppy and volatile second half of 2024. She anticipates key market segments like the S&P 500 and Nasdaq facing significant pullbacks, yet maintaining their long-term bullish trends. Katie delves into her technical analysis, shedding light on the potential trajectories for Bitcoin, gold, and other commodities. Here are the key points discussed by Katie Stockton. Topic: Equity market dynamics. Katie notes that despite recent highs in the S&P 500 and Nasdaq, there are signs of upside exhaustion, predicting increased volatility and potential pullbacks. A narrow market tape suggests that the gains are primarily driven by mega-cap tech stocks like Apple and Nvidia, while smaller caps underperform. Topic: Bitcoin trends. Bitcoin remains in a trading range between significant support at $60,000 and resistance near recent highs. Katie believes a breakout to the upside is more probable, targeting $81,000 in the long term. She highlights the strong correlation between Bitcoin and the Nasdaq 100, using it as a risk metric for equities. Topic: Gold and commodities. Gold has recently broken out to new all-time highs, with an expected pullback seen as healthy. The long-term target is around $2,550 per ounce. Katie emphasizes a lasting bull cycle in commodities, including gold, silver, copper, and natural gas. Katie Stockton made the following predictions. Prediction: increased market volatility. Katie forecasts a choppy and volatile market in the second half of 2024, marked by corrective phases and increased risk management needs. Prediction: upside for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is expected to break out of its trading range to the upside, targeting $81,000, supported by long-term momentum indicators. Prediction: commodity bull cycle. A lasting bull cycle in commodities is anticipated, with potential initial signs visible in gold, silver, copper, and natural gas. Katie Stockton wraps up by reinforcing the need for investors to exercise caution and be prepared for increased market volatility. She advises using technical analysis to manage risks and highlights potential buying opportunities following pullbacks. She also encourages focusing on long-term uptrends across various asset classes, particularly within the ongoing commodities bull cycle. Welcome to another insightful episode on the David Lynn channel. Today we have the pleasure of hosting Danielle DiMartino Booth, the CEO of Quill Intelligence. Danielle is an esteemed economist and former advisor at the Federal Reserve Bank of Dallas. She brings an intricately informed perspective on the latest Fed meeting, unfolding bankruptcy trends, and broader economic implications. We're analyzing the Federal Reserve's latest stance on monetary policy, where they opted to keep interest rates unchanged. Danielle DiMartino Booth will unravel why this decision was made, the implications for future rate cuts, and how it correlates with an accelerating bankruptcy cycle and labor market frailties, painting a complex picture of the current economic landscape. Here are the key points discussed by Danielle DiMartino Booth. Topic: Federal Reserve meeting outcomes. The Federal Reserve decided to keep interest rates unchanged. Jerome Powell emphasized a target of 2% inflation sustainably before any significant adjustments. Despite lower than expected core inflation figures, the Fed's focus remains on achieving sustained low inflation before any rate cuts. Topic: Bankruptcy trends. An alarming rise in large company bankruptcies is noted, with June potentially seeing 25 large-scale bankruptcies, exceeding the pandemic peak. This trend suggests a significant loss of income and job displacement, adding stress to the economic landscape. Topic: Labor market and economic strength. Danielle noted the labor market shedding 1.5 million full-time positions in comparison to the creation of 962,000 part-time roles. Small businesses expressed rising concern over access to credit and uncertain financial futures, hinted by the NFIB Small Business Optimism Index. Topic: Market and investment implications. While the stock market remains optimistic, Danielle advises caution as the labor market's breadth of layoffs expands. Danielle DiMartino Booth made the following predictions. Prediction: continuous rise in unemployment. Danielle predicts a continuous rise in unemployment as layoffs broaden across various industries. Historical parallels indicate a possibility of abrupt increases in unemployment, mirroring recessions such as late 2007-2008. Prediction: decline in inflation. Danielle anticipates a decline in inflation, particularly in shelter costs, with indications of deflation in goods and services already visible. She foresees that the Fed might need to reconsider the number of rate cuts planned for 2024 as unemployment figures escalate. Danielle DiMartino Booth presents a nuanced view of the current economic climate, advising viewers to be vigilant of the rising bankruptcy cycle and its broad implications on job markets and spending behavior. She suggests that while investors are optimistic short-term, cautious portfolio management is prudent given the broader economic uncertainties. Stay tuned for more updates on how these economic trends evolve. Katie Stockton and Danielle DiMartino Booth offer diverse yet intersecting views on the upcoming financial landscape. While Stockton anticipates a volatile but opportunistic market, emphasizing technical analysis for navigating pullbacks, DiMartino Booth highlights the increasing bankruptcy cycle and its economic repercussions. Both stress the need for risk management and cautious investment strategies amid the looming uncertainties. Stay tuned for more in-depth financial insights and expert analysis. Thanks for watching Financial News and Review for Friday, June 14, 2024. If you'd like more time-saving content, please remember to like and subscribe. If you have ideas for more channels you'd like to see, drop a comment below. See you next time.